Leading the news this hour, Election Day issues now at the center of an investigation led by the Harris County District Attorney's Office. It comes 2 days after Governor Greg Abbott called for an investigation to look into the Election Day problems in Harris County.
As we've reported, there were issues ranging from staffing at polling locations to not enough paper ballots. Gerald Harris is live with more. Gerald.
Yeah, this investigation comes after repeated calls from Republicans of election irregularities here in Harris County. After being criticized over election issues like delayed openings of precincts, running out of paper ballots, and staffing concerns.
You can't blame the DA for simply taking a look, and that's all she's doing.
KHOU 11 election law analyst Chris Feldman says while attempts by state leaders like Governor Abbott and other statewide Republicans to shape Harris County elections are not typical, he adds that with calls for an investigation, OGG is obligated to comply.
When you have the governor and the attorney general saying, and the secretary of state suggesting that there should be an investigation, what choice does the district attorney here in Harris County have but to take a look?
OGG, a Democrat, said in a statement, when we get credible complaints of election irregularities, we are statutorily required to investigate. Adding that's why we've called for the assistance of the Texas Rangers. The results of their investigation will be turned over to a Harris County grand jury.
State leadership does not like the leadership in Harris County. It's a partisan battle for the state leadership. So the current laws being used were passed for this purpose. And in my opinion, to just give Harris County a hard time.
Under Texas election law, the Secretary of State can refer complaints to the Attorney General and the Harris County DA.
The law that's most important for everyone to remember is one vote per person, and the electoral process is to be followed pursuant to constitutional guidelines that have long been established by the U.S. Supreme Court, and I believe that's what's occurring here in Harris County.
These specific complaints are what's unknown at this time. The Secretary of State's office says since they're not the investigative agency, they cannot release the complaints until the investigation is wrapped up. Violating Texas election code is a criminal offense. We've reached out to Harris County Judge Lena Hidalgo and Harris County Election Administrator Clifford Tatum for a response and have not heard back. Ron, Mia.